Welcome back to the unnamed project, folks. This one here is fast and furious. So, I thought I'd give you guys a little update because work and life got the better of me this week. I'm struggling. I'm really struggling to try to get some stuff done. But I'll do a short video, show you where I'm at here, and then afterwards we'll take it from there. So one thing I never did on the last time was to weld and align basically the crank and all that stuff, right? So I got to do it this time around. In a nutshell, we went ahead and beveled all the pins, right? So all the pins are beveled. Every opening, there we go, is beveled. And the whole point of this is to try to get as much penetration as possible on those welds, right? So we got all the bearings, all the rods, everything we're going to use right here. It's a mess. I'm telling you, it's a mess. I have so many cranks and so many. Try to get the best of everything, right? So, for example, I was going to use this guy, but then this bearing shot. Then I was going to use this guy. Yeah, not using that guy. Then, well, I don't even know where all the rest of all the cranks are. These are all the parts that didn't make it. They're all either bent or there's something wrong with them. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go ahead, check out the links up here. So, we're going to go ahead, weld this crank up together, and see how much we have time to get done. Whew, I am exhausted. Legit 4 hours later of hammering on this thing, but now she's welded all the way across until all the heat and everything. These ones here aren't quite done all the way because I didn't want to weld all the way up because I have another crank that they just welded up here and it actually failed. So I was thinking maybe it might weaken this. So I only welded the bottom halves. Same on that one. Same on, you get the idea. It is good. Okay, so I got it within 1 thou on the PTO side and 1.5 to 2 thou. I'm not quite sure if the shaft is dirty or what, but I'm going to say 1.5 thou. So it's within spec. I'm pretty happy with that. All my rods are on there. Everything is phased in. Now, if I have time, you guys are going to see this going into the crankcase permanently until it grenades on me. Well, folks, talk about the reality of how life works, eh? So I was doing pretty good here. I had one little bearing that had to be adjusted, so I put the bearing knife onto it, had this completely set up in the vise, and then check out this guy. Yeah, indeed. Anyway, so like I said, such is life. Unfortunately, there's no way I'm putting this thing together today because I have to, I don't know. I got to cut all my welds and I got to try to refit all this thing, realign everything. It's going to be a good time. It's definitely going to be a good time. Anyways, so quick little update for you guys. That's where we're at here. Sorry I didn't have time to make a full episode, but you know what though, at least I'm trying, right? So I'm going to go make another crank, I guess, and then we'll be all set for next week. So yeah, your man Porter here, quick little update. Hope you like this stuff. Go ahead, hit the old subscribe button, comment, like, share, all that good stuff. It helps me a ton. We'll see you on the next one.